Okay, update on my sneezing. I just had one of the most frightening sneezing fits I've had in my life. Yeah, again, I did not have the phone by me. I was outside letting the dogs out, and I started sneezing, and I could not get out of it. I thought I was gonna choke. I thought I was gonna die. All my shoulders went. Well, all my shoulders went like this. My throat went like this. I really wanted somebody to pat my back and say, "Get out of it, get out of it." I felt like I was gonna go in a coma at one point because I couldn't breathe no more. That was one frightening experience. Wow. Anyway, there's no sneeze tonight. I just want to keep you updated on my sneezing. One day you will get a sneezing fit from me. And I hope it won't scare you, but enlighten you. Love you all. Bye.